Okay, so phrasal verbs, there's lots of them in English. Some of them you will see are more common in the OET role play scenario. So I've put a few of those here. For example, we have go over, rule out, deal with, cope with, look after, and take care. What's important with phrasal verbs is making sure that the preposition that you choose is the right preposition after it, and also knowing how to use it. So usually go over, so we're going to go over your test results. We're going to go over treatment options. Basically meaning we're going to discuss or talk about or review something. Rule out usually means to cancel something or to eliminate. So, your results have ruled out cancer. Let's talk about some other things your results have shown, for example. Or I'm going to give you some tests to rule out possible other I'm losing the word, possible other causes, for example. Deal with and cope with, you may have heard me use those a few times so far, but deal and cope are both about how you are managing a situation or what is your feeling or experience about a situation. So as I said before, we use these typically in the progressive. How are you dealing? How are you coping? And we use the preposition with. So with the medications, with the lifestyle changes, with the news about your diagnosis. Both of these can be used with basically how are you with this thing. Look after, usually used in the meaning of caring for someone. So who is looking after you right now? This would be good if there's an elderly patient, a conversation about who is taking care or looking after you. And that leads me to take care. Take care does have that same meaning about, caring for someone, but it can also be a great way to end a conversation. And you'll notice here, take and care, we don't have a preposition. We have care, which is just used as the noun here. But in this case, take care being, I'll see you later. I'll see you next appointment. So let's say you've wrapped up your conversation and then the last thing you say is, okay, have a great day. Take care. We'll follow up in a couple of weeks. Something to kind of wrap up that final phrase.